Hello, Namaskar. My name is Neeraj and this is my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah. So in today's video also we have come out with some new idea about this new age tech stocks, IPOs, and their performance and their financial performance. So before starting this video, I would request all of the viewers to please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and big thank you to the viewers who have already subscribed. And also please give a big thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your maximum friends so that everybody can benefit from this my videos and ideas. So before starting this, let's start before, and also I have a channel, different format. If you wanted some stock specific analysis and multi-bagger stock recommendation, I have a different format where there is a paid channel. It's a per video basis, only a nominal charge of 1,000 rupees, and all my contact details, that email details are in the description box down below. For any personalized investment and the stock advice, you can please contact me by sending me the mail, and I will respond, and this is how we work. So let's not waste time and start our video. So in today's video we are going to talk about this list of this new age tech IPOs in last 1-2 years which have come up, so-called that fancy names, and what this new age tech post the performance, stock performance of those IPOs, as well as more important is the financial performance. I mean, whether these companies have made any profit or operating profit or not, or only they are roaming around in the top line growth, and whether from that what we can learn from this IPO frenzies of new age tech stocks. So I will just show you this list of those IPOs, and I will explain it to you. So just see. One second. Sorry. As you can see, this is the list of IPO where you can very clearly see this. This is first is Uber. It was listed in 2019. Valuation, it was listed at about $1 billion valuation, and this is the EBITDA, $5.7 billion of losses. Now I am talking about, these are the latest, this column represents the latest operating profit or EBITDA profit or loss. So when it is in a bracket, means it is in losses, and this particular column represents profit after tax. That is also in $1 billion. These are the latest figures of this latest years. And you look at this stock returns. The last column is the stock returns column. So where you can see that what is the stock returns in last 2 years, it's -1%. Second is Lyft. It was listed in, these are all new age tech stocks, which were kind of a startups, and then it was listed. And this is what the list of this. These are all the stocks which got listed in this. This is the year of IPO where it came, and these are almost all are listed in this Nasdaq or USA, New York Stock Exchange. So look at this Snowflake Cloud Software ERP 2020 valuation $3.9 billion, EBITDA loss of $500 million, PAT loss of $500 million, stock returns 10% post listing. These are the returns post listing. After it got listed on the stock exchange until now, what is the latest? So in this year's, this is the DoorDash, another kind of a logistics company, but this is the real logistics kind of a company using new age tech, not just app-based e-commerce or share kind of basis. But still, look at this financial performance. It is $290 million losses. These are the losses, and PAT is $460 million losses. Stock return is 33%. Look at Airbnb, another that fancy name. It got listed in 2020, in the last year only, toward the year end. Look at the valuation, it's $3.7 billion. Look at the EBITDA losses, $3.6 billion. Look at the profit losses, not profit after tax means losses, $4.6 billion. Look at stock return, like zero. FM, Bumble, this is a dating app. Look at, there are no figures available. Then this is Coupang, this is e-commerce, this is a Korean e-commerce company like, Amazon, or in India it's like Flipkart, or all these companies, or Zomato also you can say. Look at this $60 billion valuation. Look at the EBITDA losses, $527 million. Look at the PAT losses, $567 million. And look at the stock returns, 24% down since the time it listed. These are the stocks which have got listed in this year. So in February, March, April or May, whatever it is. Then this is ThreadUp, e-commerce or resale of clothes. This is also e-commerce. Look at the losses. Look at the stock returns. This is Coursera. This is in the EdTech company, education technology. Okay, it's like your Byju in India, very much, Byju has $22 billion valuation, and it raised this money, this forth. So very soon they will be. So you can see, look at the performance of these companies, that whether they made profit. No, they never made profit. What is the stock returns? Post listing, 16.2% down. Losses means it is down by 16.2% from the price of the listing price. It is down that much. Then Blend, this is digital lending. Digital lending is like your, now there are some IPOs we are talking about that through Policy Bazaar, or not Policy Bazaar exactly, but even you can say Paytm also, digital lending. Look at this, 4 billion valuation, no revenues or profits available, no nothing, no financial, not worth. This is VTEX, this is also another. And now look at the same, why I am trying to show you all this list of technology IPOs and their financial performance and their stock returns performance also. As you can see, the Zomato, which got listed recently, $7.6 billion listing, that valuation. What is the EBITDA losses? $460 million. What is the profit or losses total? Bottom line, $1.1 billion. Stock returns 8% post listing. And Paytm, what is the $15 billion approximately the valuation is going to be, and what is going to be the revenue, or EBITDA is $230 million of losses, $230 million of losses and EBITDA losses. So I just wanted to share. This is what, just have a look, and I will then talk. You can note down also. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you, that this is what happens. So my belief remains the same, that most of this 90% of this new age tech IPOs are all big air. It's not only Airbnb, but it's big air, and they are not going to make any profits. And it is ultimately the loss of the investors, retail investors, or who invested in the primary markets and the secondary market who buy these stocks. So let them play these games, all these new age tech IPOs. But I just wanted to share my thoughts and the real data with you, that what happens is most of these similar kind of IPOs which got listed in USA stock exchange, and post listing also, what is the stock performance, and whether they made any operating profits or bottom line profit. So it's nothing. That's it from my side, and just thanks for watching, and we'll see you once again with some new ideas like this way, very different ideas from most of these people who come out talk on the stock markets and the economics. That's it from my side. Ciao, and love you from Neeraj from Moscow.